Well, good morning. It's about 8:30 in the morning, 85 degrees, and behind me is Arrow Canyon. If you hear any other noises, that's because there's a water pumping station immediately in front of me, and we're going to get away from that and enjoy some nature. We're going into a remote area of Nevada, and I don't see any other cars here in the parking lot, so we might have the place to ourselves. There's a road, I don't know if you can see that in the distance behind me, that goes from my right to the left. I would love to be able to drive down that road if I had four-wheel drive, save me a half a mile of hiking in each direction, but oh well, I'm not going to risk the war wagon with two-wheel drive on all the rocks in the wash. And let's go see what we can find. All right, this part of the trail is technically drivable, again, if you have four-wheel drive. And you can see why I didn't bring the van down here. A little too rocky, a little too rough. That's all right. In the distance is where we're heading. That little depression ahead of us, the slot, that's part of the trail, but that's not the canyon itself. We're going to go past that into a slot canyon, and it's really beautiful in there. In December, don't get a lot of sunlight. It's nice and shady. People go climbing on the rocks with or without ropes, but I'm only going to go as far as a dam that was built back in the 1930s and explore a little farther. All right, looks like I was a bit off in my estimation where the western parking lot is. It's been a few years since I've been here, about a mile and a quarter, and it should be just up ahead, probably at the mile-and-a-half point. And if you think what you see behind me is the canyon, no, this is just a preview. More to come. Some of the fun begins. Still not the main canyon, but get a little bit of shade, starting to warm up. Probably 90 degrees, a little bit of a breeze going on, so it feels comfortable as long as get the wind on my back. And let's see how far we go. There it is, the entrance to Arrow Canyon. Yeah, only about 2.5 miles from where I parked, but hey, I need the exercise. Arrow Canyon has a Civilian Conservation Corps dam about halfway through, built in the 30s. It's silted up on the upstream side, so around 2014, this area had a heavy downpour, flash flood event. The dam was overtopped, and I can only imagine just how much flow not only came out through the canyon, but through the wash I've been hiking, making its way all the way down towards the Moapa area, and damaged several properties, and it was just a complete mess. But that was a 1% chance, 100-year event that hopefully we're not going to see again anytime soon, but it just boggles the mind, the power of nature sometimes. Truly a magnificent sight. I'll never get tired of this place. I should go back here more often, especially when the weather's cooler. And once we go inside, there'll be some shady spots I can cool off in and enjoy the view. different. Most people simulate flying through a canyon in video games. This is the first time I was able to do it live with a real drone. And man, having a lot of fun with the DJI Mini. Got pretty good battery power. I've fly for half an hour at a time. Been through 2 battery packs already just today. Got a little bit more juice, but it's 10:40. I've still got to hike 2.4 miles back to the van before triple-digit heat sets in, and I'm running low on water, so I'm not going to hike all the way to the dam like I thought I would, but I've got some old pictures I'll tack to the end of the video proving that yes, I have been there at least once. And I want to say thank you for watching the video. Have a great day, and mahalo.